Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka dito, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell para lagi kang updated sa mga latest tips and tricks to achieve financial freedom. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: passive income secrets. Why starting an online business in 2024 is a game changer. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Are you tired of the daily grind working 9 to 5? At parang wala pa ring progreso sa financial dreams mo? What if sabihin ko sa'yo na may paraan para makawala sa cycle na to at magsimulang mag-build ng passive income streams na nagwo-work kahit natutulog ka? Intrigued? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the concept of passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with an online business, this dream can become your reality. Here's why starting an online business in 2024 is the ultimate game changer. Number 1, flexibility and freedom. Sa online business, ikaw ang boss. You set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, at meron kang freedom to live life on your own terms. No more clocking in and out sa job na hindi mo gusto. Number 2, scalability. Unlike traditional businesses, online businesses have the potential to reach a global audience. This means pwede mong palakihin ang business mo exponentially without the limitations ng physical location. Number 3, low startup costs. Starting an online business is much more affordable kaysa sa brick-and-mortar setup. Pwede kang magsimula with minimal investment gamit ang tools and platforms na readily available at cost-effective. Number 4, automation. Ito ang real secret sauce. With automation tools, pwede kang mag-set up ng systems na nagha-handle ng sales, customer service, at marketing para sa'yo. This allows you to focus on growing your business and enjoying your life. And lastly, number 5, continuous learning and growth. Ang online business world ay dynamic at laging nag-e-evolve. You'll have the opportunity to learn new skills, stay updated with trends, and continuously improve your business strategies. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? 2024 is the perfect year to start your online business and unlock the secrets to passive income. Join us on this journey to financial freedom and make your dreams a reality. Be sure to click the link in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, at mag-leave ng comment sa baba with your thoughts on starting an online business. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired. See you in the next video.